Her urge to mate is all-consuming. Usually, it's males who do the pursuing, but Chip is characteristically doing things her way. She tries flirtation, rubbing her scent to attract him. It's not working. Chip is not one to give up easily, but her amorous pursuit is about to be rudely interrupted. Mohawk, again. He's patrolling with a pride female, and they're heading straight towards the leopards. They spot Kaingu. He sprints to a tree. Chip, unseen, has the chance to flee. But her urge to mate with Kaingu keeps her rooted to a hiding place in the distance. Mohawk and his mate settle in. Kaingu is trapped. The lions still haven't seen Chip, but rather than take the opportunity to escape, the tenacious leopardess waits for the lions to tire of this game.